Guys, today I'll be showing you how to create this viral cooking video. I know a lot of you people have been seeing this kind of video, and guess what? This video are blowing up. I posted this video on my TikTok and this video did wonderful. Like, this video got thousands of view, and I said, okay, why not just share it with my YouTube community? So I'm taking you step by step on how I did this viral video. I know you've been saying this a lot. This is one tutorial you don't want to miss, because this will really take your page from 0 to 100, right? So I'll be taking you step by step on how to create this viral cooking video. Trust me, this tutorial will be very, very interesting, so you want to watch to the end, so don't miss any important part. Is your favorite girl, Coach Amzara. Work smart always and earn more. And guys, I know you've not subscribed to this channel. What is stopping you? Subscription is free. I'm not paying for subscription, and I'll be bringing wonderful updates for you just like this. Please subscribe. Subscribe. Oh yeah, let's go. I know you've done that. Let's go. Let me show you. I'll go to I'll go to ChatGPT. As always, anything you want to do, make sure you start from ChatGPT. It's very okay you start from ChatGPT. So I'm going to paste this prompt to chat, and this is what the prompt said. I want to create a video of an African chubby and curvy lady with a large tummy preparing beans outside her open compound with some cooking utensils. The prompt should have when she's selecting the beans, when she clamp on a donkey to the market, when she is stealing. I'm going to remove this stealing, because if I don't remove stealing, ChatGPT is going to talk about it. Who said no, stealing is not good, blah blah blah. When she's taking, let me use the proper word. When she's taking some vegetable and start running from the market woman. How she's clamping a donkey and flying back to her compound. When she's cooking it, the outcome of the beans after she have finished cooking. The prompt should also include different camera angle of the video, what she is saying to her audience, and some comedy statement in all the steps. I will be using Grok 6 seconds to generate this video. I need the image prompt for the character and dialogue scene. So you get, right? So this is the prompt. Very simple. The essence of this is just to make people laugh, like for it to be very funny, so that it will attract view. You know, this kind of content usually blow up on TikTok, YouTube short, like Facebook. You'll be seeing millions of view. So that is why I decided to say, let me share it to my people, to my own people. So I'm going to send it. So ChatGPT say, all right, this idea is very funny. You need to structure it, or it will come out chaotic instead of engaging. So this is the prompt ChatGPT wrote. Scene 1, character prompt. Use this every time. So this is our character. This image now is our base character. So see, this is our image prompt. And the rest is video prompt. Scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, scene 7. So it stopped at scene 7. So the idea was not to be too long. It's meant to be on Reels or YouTube Short, so that it's going to just engage people immediately. So mind you, if you are doing Reels, don't make your Reels very long. Any Reels that pass 60 seconds, the platform will not push it. The platform will not push it. So if you are doing YouTube and short, your reel should always stop at 60 seconds. That's 1 minute. If you are doing YouTube long, then you can do any amount, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, even 1 hour. You get. So now we are going to copy our base, which is the image prompt, and I'll head over to Grok. So this is my Grok app. I open Grok. You see this place they say imagine. I'm going to click on imagine. And what I'll do is this place they say type to imagine. I'm going to now paste my prompt there, right? Hyper realistic of African chubby woman, curvy, all those things. So I'm now going to send it. So let's wait and see the outcome. Okay. So Grok will definitely give us so many options. You can see it. We have so many options. If you continue going, so you just choose anyone that you like. any fat woman you like. All these things are beautiful. See, I don't even know the one to choose again. All of them are beautiful. Let me see. All of them are beautiful. Maybe let me work with this. What do you think? This one or this one? Whoosh. Okay. I'm going to be saving this. See, there is so much. If you want, you can go scroll down until you see the one you like. Like, there are so many. There are so many. So if you keep scrolling, Grok will keep giving you option. Okay, this one too is fine. This one too is fine. No. Okay, let me save this. So I've saved this. So we'll just work with this. We'll just work with that. Right? This is the one I wanted to save before. So let me just save it. I like the both of them. So I've saved the one I want, right? So what I'm just going to scroll up like this. Then I'll click this place that says see all, but there's no need because the one I want to use is already showing, right? So let me use this first one, this one. So I tap on the image because we'll just save it now, right? So I'm going to go back to chat to copy my prompt. This is it. The woman is selecting beans. So I'm going to copy. Then I'll come back to chat and I'll paste that prompt. So the prompt say African woman sitting on a low woody stool in an open compound selecting beans in a flat tray. She looks at the camera. So now I'll go back like this. I'll now come back to chat and copy my dialogue. So this is my dialogue. I'll copy. I'll come back here. I'll come back here and I'll paste my dialogue. So the dialogue, I'm going to add dialogue in Nigeria accent. So I wrote it like this. So if you don't pick beans like this, just prepare to eat stone. See my life, CEO of Bean Speaker Company. So I'm going, if you don't like the dialogue, you can edit it to suit your preferred. I'll now send this. So once I send, and our video is generating, let's give it time.
If you don't pick beans like this, just prepare to eat stone soup. I need to finish these beans fast, though. If you don't pick beans like this, just prepare to eat stone soup.
I'm going to save. Then I'll go and copy my send to prompt. Okay, let me give you a quick hack. Whenever you're creating stuff like this, make sure you edit whatever ChatGPT give you. Edit anything chubby, anything that will make it look as if you are doing races. If you add anything like that, as if you are doing races, ChatGPT will not generate it. They'll tell you video modify and all that. So let's go back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy scene 2. So this is scene 2. Okay, this is selecting of a being scene 1, and this is scene 2, right? I'm going to copy. I'll come back here. You see, this one, you don't need multiple characters. It's just one character you want. So make sure you read your script. Same African woman riding a donkey, blah blah blah. So there should nothing be caution of your word. We don't need anything chubby, this one, that one. So I'll come back. Let me copy my dialogue because ChatGPT just wrote it different. So this is my dialogue. Let me add dialogue in Nigeria accent, right? So the donkey did not sign up for this kind of pressure. Transport fare is emotional damage. So I'm going to edit. I don't like this transport fare is emotional damage. I want to put transport fuel don't cost or something. Now transport fare is very expensive, is very expensive. Fuel don't add money. I'll now put laugh emoji. I'll now add my laugh emoji. You understand? Because the whole idea is for it to be comic. So let me still go through my script. Same African woman riding a donkey. Okay. So now I'm just going to send for our scene 2. So this is scene 2. Let's hear it.
This donkey did not sign up for this kind of pressure. Transport fare is very expensive. Food on money. Okay. This donkey did not sign up for this kind of pressure.
So this is good.
Transport fare is very expensive. Food on.
I'm going to save. So I'll come back to chat for scene 3. So this is my scene 3. I copy. I come back here. Paste. Just tap anywhere. I'll click on select or then I delete. Then I paste the new one. I copy. I use this arrow to go down. Then I come back and copy my dialogue. So this is my dialogue. So always add this so that to an extent your video will have the same accent, right? So I'm going to send.
Not kill me. I will survive. Hey, until I will pay later by next.
Okay.
Not kill me.
So
I will survive.
This is
hey,
good.
until I will.
So I'll come back to chat. But when you have a donkey airline.
Kill me. I will survive. I
don't know if that word
until I will pay later by
okay.
next. Inflation will not kill me.
So I don't know if this word spiritual is okay to live here because Grok is really scraping out video now. Dialogue in Nigeria accent. So she said when transportation costs too much, you upgrade spiritually. So I don't know if this spiritually is okay. So I'm going to give it a try. If it doesn't work, we can now like change it to something else because Grok is acting very funny of late. Setting words, he will not generate it. So
when transport costs too much, you upgrade spiritually. Who needs Uber when you have Turkey Airlines?
Okay.
When transport costs too much, you.
Okay. So I've saved. I'll come back to scene 5. I'll come back to scene 5. And I'm going to now select or delete. Then I'll paste my new prompt. I'll come back and copy. I'll come back here and copy my dialogue. Protest. So I can edit. That one is still okay. So I'm going to send. Location you want and all that. You can do your cooking.
Now we cook with full ingredients, not this management type. If these beans no sweet, I go protest.
Oh, yeah,
now we cook with full ingredients, not this management type. If these beans no sweet, I go protest.
So now have I saved that? Let me save it
full
again.
Ingredients, not this.
So I've saved. Then I come back to ChatGPT and copy scene 9. I'll come here and copy scene 9. Then I'm going to pay. So I'm going to send this.
This my porridge bean sweet well. If you want to eat, bring your plate and bread.
Can you see?
This my porridge bean sweet well. If you want to eat, bring your plate and bread.
So this is good. I'm going to save. And I think this is the final scene. Scene 6, final scene. So this is the last scene. And just like that, the idea of this whole thing is not to make it long and all that. It's just a few seconds and scene that will just blow your page. So now let's head over to CapCut. So this is my CapCut. So what we are going to do, I'll click on new video. Once I click on new video, I'm going to select each of the scene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So once I select it, I'll just give it.
If you don't pick beans like this, just prepare to eat stone soup. I need to finish these beans fast though. This donkey did not sign up for this kind of pressure. Transport fare is very expensive. Food on money. Inflation will not kill me. I will survive. Hey, until I will pay later for next. When transport costs too much, you upgrade spiritually. Who needs Uber when you have Turkey Airlines? Now we cook with full ingredients, not this management type. If these beans no sweet, I go protest. Now we cook with full ingredients, not this management type. If these beans no sweet, I go protest.
Okay, I think this one I save it twice, so I'll delete one.
When you have Turkey Airlines. Now we cook with full ingredients, not this management type. If these beans no sweet, I go protest.
So let me crop here a little. I just want it to start where she's turning the beans. So any part that is not good, please feel free to crop it out.
This my porridge beans sweet well. If you want to eat, bring your plate and bread.
So I'll delete this CapCut ending.
If you don't pick beans like this, just prepare to eat stone soup. I need to finish these beans fast though. This donkey did not sign up for this kind of pressure. Transport fare is very expensive, food on money. Inflation will not kill me. I will survive. Hey, until I will pay later by next. When transport costs too much, you upgrade spiritually. Who needs Uber when you have Turkey Airlines? Now we cook with full ingredients, not this management type. If these beans no sweet, I go protest. This my porridge beans sweet well. If you want to eat, bring your plate and bread.
Okay, so in content like this, everything is okay because I asked for camera angle, asked for action, asked for dialogue, asked for location, everything, right? So what I'm going to do, I've cropped the part I want to crop. So what I'm going to do is just to add my name. So I'm going to just write my name. So I'll come here, I'll put Zara, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the font, any kind of font I want. I'm going to change the style also. In the style, I can increase the size or reduce the size, right? So I'll leave it at 16. It's okay. Then I'll reduce the opacity. I'll leave the opacity at 45. Yes. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to drag this name to every part of my video. So once I drag it to every part of my video, the next thing is I want my name to be moving around in the video. So I'll just go far. I'll click this icon here. What's this name? Keyframe. So I'm going to click this keyframe. So once I click the keyframe, I'll move this thing to somewhere else. I'll put another keyframe. I'll move it to up here. I'll put another keyframe. I'll move it to down here. I'll put another keyframe. I'll move it to here. I'll put another keyframe. So this is how I'll be changing the position and be adding my keyframe, right? So I'll add another keyframe. Now I'll bring it here. I'll add another keyframe. So by so doing, we are going to have, let me take it back so you see what we have.
If you don't pick beans like this, just prepare to eat stone soup. I need to finish these beans fast though. This donkey did not sign up for this kind of pressure. Transport fare is very expensive, food on money. Inflation will not kill me. I will survive.
So
hey,
with this, nobody can steal your video. So you just go ahead to export. You don't do too much with this. It's already edited from the generation tool. So you just export and you can post your video in YouTube Shorts, Facebook and all. So thanks for watching. Bye.